Hello friends, I'm EdiWako. Today we have breaking news. Terra Luna Classic price is down 0.5% in the last 24 hours and the current level of $0.000171776 represents a 2% increase in the last week and a jump of 6% in the last 2 weeks. However, LUNC is down 10% in the last 30 days as the Terra community discusses future improvements and the FTX crash dragged down market sentiment. Assuming that the Terra Luna Classic community, its developers and validators can agree on a strategy to bring LUNC back to its former value, the altcoin has a pretty good chance for a strong run in the next bull market. On the other hand, split in Discord could mean that the coin will continue to oscillate between recovery and further losses for a while. The LUNC indicators point to a coin that has been bearish for the past few weeks, with its 30-day moving average, red, still well below its 200-day average, blue. Similarly, the relative strength index, purple, has dropped to 40, highlighting a shift towards more selling in recent days. On the other hand, the fact that these indicators are near the bottom probably means that LUNC will experience a rebound soon. This recovery could have started right now with the coin's slight upward rally for several hours, potentially marking the start of a new short-term rally. Compared to a few weeks ago, LUNC is actually in a pretty good position. This is largely because Binance announced the results of the last LUNC burn at the beginning of the month. According to the exchange, around 6.4 billion LUNC were withdrawn from circulation last month, causing the coin to surge as much as 19% on the day the final figures were released. Therefore, the hope remains that the supply of LUNC will continue to decline steadily over the long term and accordingly its price will rise. Binance has burned 13.7 billion LUNCs to date, and the total number of burns for LUNC is now 35.7 billion. While the total supply of LUNC in circulation is as high as 6.87 trillion, he believes the amounts burned will gradually increase each month as more platforms initiate their own incineration and use of Terra Luna Classic increases. The protocol itself now imposes a 0.2% tax burn on all on-chain transactions. There is a general assumption. However, disagreement and dissatisfaction arose in the community after a proposal to send half of my 0.2% on-chain burn to a community pool for developers was approved yesterday. The underlying reason for this change was to fund further Terra Luna Classic network development and make it more useful and attractive as a platform. Some community members believe this change will only keep more LUNCs in circulation, thus undermining efforts to reduce supply and increase the altcoin price. Given the extent of the fundamental disagreement between accelerating development and restricting supply over how best to rebuild the Terra Luna Classic, it's debatable whether the LUNC price will ever come close to full numbers. Even with an increase of up to $1, this would require LUNC's current price to rise close to 600,000%. As for $10, that's an increase of about 5.8 million. Note that at its high point when LUNC resurrected in early September, when the tax cut was first announced, it rose only 51,000% from its all-time low. In other words, an increase of 600,000 or even 5,800,000% above its current level looks pretty ambitious and will likely require a very long-term plan. It's not impossible, but with a total supply of approximately 6,873 trillion and a burn rate of approximately 12 billion LUNC per month, LUNC holders can focus on more attainable price targets. Given that the LUNC renaissance is truly a long-term endeavor, traders may choose to turn to coins that are more likely to rally quickly. Pre-sale coins had an impressive 2022. For example, Doge Tama has climbed as high as 1,800% after it was first listed in October. Even more impressively, Lucky Block, LBLOCK, and Battle Infinity, IBAT, witnessed increases of 6,000% and 3,000% over the summer compared to initial pre-sale prices of $0.00015. These examples show what the right pre-sales can achieve. That's why we've rounded up 3 of the most promising sales currently happening. Every coin here has strong fundamentals and a clear roadmap. IMPT is an Ethereum-based carbon credit marketplace that will reward consumers who shop from eco-friendly vendors. These rewards will be given in the form of IMPT tokens. IMPT tokens can then be used to purchase NFT-based carbon offsets that can be traded or retired. Since its sale began in October, IMPT has raised more than $16.6 million in funding. Its sale will expire in less than 3 days, and currently one IMPT is selling for $0.023. Token Uniswap confirmed their listing on LBANK Exchange and Changely Pro. Ethereum-based -2 Trade is an information platform that helps traders make more informed trading decisions by providing real-time analytics and social trading data. The platform will be launched in early 2023, and the D2T token will be used to pay the platform's monthly subscription fees. There are 2 subscription categories. The -2 Trade presale has already raised more than $9 million in funding and is now in its 4th and final phase. Therefore, early investors have a limited window of opportunity to purchase the coin before it is listed. The coin will be listed on Uniswap, Bitmart, and LBANK Exchange, providing plenty of liquidity to early buyers. Calvaria, RIA, is a game where players can collect NFT-based cards, trade these cards, and fight with these cards. In addition to offering numerous play-to-earn features, the platform will allow users to play the game without owning any cryptocurrency. This could make it more popular than other blockchain-based games. In the ecosystem of the platform, RIA will be used to purchase and staking in-game items. This will give the token a strong use case. The token presale has raised $2.3 million so far and is currently in its 5th phase, where 1 USDT can buy 30.77 RIA. Yes, friends, this is our news today. What are your thoughts? Please do not forget to indicate your opinion in the comment section. Please don't forget to turn on notifications by subscribing to me.